ASST Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1 minute video. And just looking and observing asset entities, I appreciate this bullish market, right? I'm not saying this in a way where I'm just going to immediately start buying and whatnot. But look, I've done well over 42 to almost 42,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years. Documented everything like no one else. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not personally. And ultimately, like, all I'll have to say, mate, all that's left from this is a double break. And if I don't see this double break taking place, I'm not buying whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, I do have a lot of previous receipts here. So there you go. 21 results show up. And unironically, just waiting. You know, my real bullish, I mean, call out, my like wizardry all began right here when we were sitting at a decent $3 at that time, and this reached like a $13 high, right? So I'll keep you updated, but if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.